Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to merge any Word document within single click. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you have many Word document. Example, I had 4 document and I would like to make all this document in Word document. How you can do that? It's very easy and simple. First of all, I'm going to open my Word and then I'm going to choose a blank document. And now I would like to add this 4 Word file in this Word document within single click. How you can do that? It's really easy and simple. Just open your Word document and then go on here insert. In the right side you will find here text object. So here you will find text from file. Simply choose the location where your file is located. Simply choose the file you would like to add in this Word document. So I'm going to choose this 4 document and then I'm going to click on insert, and it's going to insert in Word document one document within a single click. So this is how you can easily merge in many Word file within single click in a Word document. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.